In today's world of advanced manufacturing, robots and AGVs are becoming increasingly common. They look futuristic, they feel cutting edge. But here's the truth, no matter how modern your tools are, if the process isn't well designed, bottlenecks will still appear, and efficiency will never reach its full potential. Smaker 1.30 AGVs. Now, take a look on the left. This was our original layout. We had robots, we had AGVs doing the transfers. But the flow wasn't smooth. Certain work areas weren't positioned properly. As a result, the system relied on 11 people to keep things moving. And bottlenecks showed up in critical points, quietly slowing everything down. Now look to the right, we made just a few strategic improvements. We replaced part of the AGV system with automated conveyors, redesigned the layout to streamline the workflow, and with that, the team size dropped from 11 people to just 6, the number of AGVs down to 2. What happened next? Bottlenecks disappeared, tasks flowed smoothly, and productivity, it climbed higher clearly and measurably. Sometimes, a small layout change can make a massive difference in performance. Efficiency upgrade, before versus after. Optimize the line, empower the people, eliminate the waste, and behind it all, the solution that let us design, simulate, and prove every improvement is visual components. Visual components turn every idea into real motion.